Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Stumble Guys reviews. To know how to fix or how to solve Stumble Guys game reviews, you should just go to settings. Here on this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list, you will search about this window of Stumble Guys. When you find it, you will enter the first step and you click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps, then you can go to your Wi-Fi. You will click to turn off your Wi-Fi. Then you will wait 3 seconds and you can turn off your Wi-Fi again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.